Hello, welcome from Zao. Beautiful Zao. I'm at the top of the mountain. As you can see, there's literally nobody around me right now. And I'm at the top of one of the ski resorts. And so I was going to kind of do a review of this camera for my bike, but by the way, this camera is a Insta360 X5, but couldn't get it to work on the bike properly, and it's been really cold. So I come to another cold place to test it out instead. So yeah, I'm here at Zao, which is in, what is that, Tochigi, I think. Beautiful day today, but this weather's going to come in. As you can see behind me, it's quite cloudy. In front of me over there, it's kind of a little bit light. And so today, yeah, on snowboard. And so I'm gonna give this thing a whirl, and what I'll probably do is probably take this footage, maybe do two versions. I'm gonna upload it to YouTube as is, so you can scroll around and see where I am. I see my boogers in almost in real life, and then the other one I'll edit and put in because it's probably look a little bit better. So that way is the way down. So we've got a geez, these clouds are moving really quickly here. That way's a red, and then we go head out into the green area. I haven't been down here yet, so no idea how this is going to go. And I also have no idea how I'm going to get up by holding this camera, because I don't also have a hand strap for this. So if this goes flying, chances of me getting it back limited to none. I got a lot of snow. I've been bored as well, which doesn't help. There we go. I guess standing up is at least a bonus. Okay, my wife said she went down here. She said it was tough. And I can see, probably understand why it's a little bit tough. Oh god, that's a challenge. Yeah, even for me that's a bit crazy. Especially, oh, okay, well it's good snow. I'm gonna get this in a little bit, can't hold this and do the snowboard stuff at the same time. God, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think this is the place my wife told me to speed up a bit, otherwise you don't make it, which is a bit scary because it's actually quite a drop. Damn it, didn't make it. She was right. Hi, 取って。いいよいいよいいよ。はい。もうちょっともうちょっと。 Gotta help people in need. And now I'm stuck. Oh, that's not good. Okay, strap in. Strap in. Stop. Stop. Oh, come on. This fan does not want to go in. Normally I sit down. I was just not in the mood to sit down. Okay. Hopefully you can see okay. And those noodles I had for lunch. Yeah. Bending down a lot. And then having those noodles. Not great. Right. Let's go. As you can see by these tracks here, they've had a lot of the they had the trucks down here. The trucks take the people at the top. That's a nice little fun. Don't want to end up in the tracks. Otherwise, it's going to be end up going to the hospital. Well groomed though. Snow's not bad. Bit hard. A lot of wind here. So that's going to be a good test. Are you going to be able to see me and hear me? I have absolutely no idea. Show you where I start. His hand signal's not exactly great there. Oh, look what I found. Say hello to YouTube.
Hi.
Hi, how was your run?
Yep. Good. We just finished today.
Yeah, I think I'm good. It's starting to get quite cloudy at the top.
Yeah, so the lens also become icy.
Yeah, it was icy coming down here. Almost bailed once, but the run, you're right. And you're right, I didn't make enough speed to get at the top of the ramp. I had to get off and I couldn't strap back in, but it was good. How's your turns? Man?
Huh?
How's your turns? Okay, okay, so that wasn't just you not hearing me, that was you ignoring me. Okay. Alright, let's go home. Even though it's coming out now, look. I got a feeling it's going to get foggy real soon.
Yeah.
The top, it felt like it was going to get dark pretty quickly. And I used my stick to help a girl get out of, like, come on, let's go. She laughed at me. That's fine. No, not plugged in. Not plugged in. Not plugged in. Not plugged in. I'm ballet dancing. I think that's the signal to say you've probably had enough for today, Chris. And with that, I bid you good day from Zhao. Let me know what you think of the camera. Obviously, I can't do commentary on this one because I'm taking it now. But we shall see how this all comes out once I get home. And see if I can upload it to YouTube without any major grief. Okay. Catch you guys later. Woo. I'll turn it off when I can't be bothered. So yeah, these things are going up and down. Let's wave to the people. They're waving back. This is why it was bumpy as hell. Did I say? So when they came down, they had that other caterpillar thing grooming the slope afterwards. It was actually nice and smooth. Yeah, behind it. It was actually not so bad. Right, bathroom. Yay. And then head back. I'm not taking the camera into the bathroom. What is this place called? Sumikawa? Sumikawa. Right, so now you know. Zhao Sumikawa. Very small resort. There we go. Let's see if these lenses all fog up as soon as I walk through the door. I did take a bail. Shit. Almost taking a bail, Jesus Christ. How fast is it?
37番でお待ちのお客様。
Oh.
37番目お待ちのお客様はところまで連れてってくれる。そう、ビールに
My God was formed up. Yes, I got my hat on top of my thing. Do you want to talk to the audience for the bathroom when I go to the bathroom break?
What am I supposed to talk about?
Anything you want to talk about?
You know I hit my...
Oh, go on then.
You know I hit my bum and it really hurts?
Yeah,
It really hurts.
it still hurts.
Yeah.
Okay, well, maybe that's a good signal to say finish for today.
Yeah, let me go home. I need to go to that... I need to stay in the office for like 3 hours now.
Okay, deal. Alright. And we'll end it there.